What are home changes that can affect your insurance? Find out next. Welcome back. This is Jesse and Rosa with Remax North San Antonio, and the question of the day is, what are some home changes that can affect your home insurance?
Some of the changes that actually can affect your insurance, and always make sure you check with your provider. Make sure those changes can affect, increase or decrease any other way of your insurance. It will be, for example, renovations, projects in your home, like changing the roof, for example. That definitely is a big plus because it will save you in your monthly payment.
Yeah, one of the things that before you do any projects or before you take on any project, we strongly suggest you check with your provider.
Exactly.
But one of the things is that pools and trampolines, all of us love them. We can spend hours and hours and days at a time in a swimming pool, and every single homeowner that we usually work with is asking for a pool. But one of the things that you have to be aware of before you add the pool or get a home with a pool is your insurance. One of the things that you have to be aware once you have a pool or a trampoline is injury and accidents that, heaven forbid, might happen either with the pool or with the trampoline. Also, another thing that you have to be aware of is, heaven forbid, potential lawsuits because of those accidents.
Exactly. And another thing that you might want to consider, and I know sometimes we don't think about this, is, for example, if you have expensive jewelry, or if you have expensive art, or you have antiques. If that's something, like I said again, double check with your provider, see if that's something that you can cover in your insurance, just in case of theft or something, I don't know, like damage as well. They can assist you with, at least with some part of that.
One of the things also that you have to also check with your homeowner insurance provider is if you have a home-based business, either through work that you work from home, or if you're an entrepreneur or working from home.
Exactly.
Many of us have very little to no coverage as far as the technologies that we have at home: printers, monitors, computers, and some of the modems because of work. So we need to, majority of us have to either slightly increase or significantly increase our coverage. So heaven forbid anything happens to those necessary work items.
And like we said too, always before doing any changes, always double check with your insurance provider and make sure it's something that they're going to be covering for you. And always ask them, hey, can I have a list of everything that gets covered with you with the insurance provider, so you know, okay, what do I need to add since I don't have it already in your coverage.
Yes. And if you have any questions, like we always say, please don't forget to call, text, or email us. We'd be happy here to help. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.